Hi, this is Mark Christensen from BI Dimensions. Hey, have you ever been doing a Pentaho job and you need to clean up a bunch of stuff and delete a bunch of files and folders? I've got just the step for you. It's called delete folders. Now this is part of a job, not part of a transform. And I ran into a situation one time where I was trying to delete a whole bunch of files and had a tough time doing it because they were all similar and couldn't get the wildcards to work the way I wanted to. So I ended up just taking them all, throwing them into their own folder, and then using delete folders to get rid of them. So here, let's just go ahead and open up the delete folders entry. And so we have, of course, the job entry name. We have copy previous results to args. You can use this to pass in results from a previous entry and use that for your arguments. Now you'll notice here we can specify directories down here, and we can also so when we select that, you'll notice that this is grayed out. So we're either using the results from a previous entry or from down here. We can also determine what success looks like. We can say success is when no error is reported, or when at least some number of folders is processed, or when the number of errors is less than some particular number. And so if you select one of these, then there's a spot for the number. So we'll just go with when no error reported. And down here, I specified the directory that I want to delete. Now you can go searching for it with the folder, and then once you select it, you click add, and that will add it down here to the list. So that's about all there is. Nothing too fancy. So let's go ahead and look at ramp the command line stuff here in Windows, and inside the temp directory here, you'll see I have another directory named tester. So let's go down into tester, and I've got one file in there just called test.txt. So we'll run this, and it should delete it. Now we go ahead and we launch this, and yes, we have to save it. And so here we have our job metrics, and it ran successfully, easy as can be. And let's go ahead and look in here now. We'll do a directory again, and you'll notice that directory is no longer there. So it's not real fancy, but it does the job and does it very well. If you have any other questions, please swing by bidimensions.com and leave a note in the comments. I'd like to thank you for your time and attention, and we'll catch you next time.